Tired of boring, stressful drives? In 2025, Amazon is stacked with car gadgets that can turn your commute into a mini concert and make even the darkest roads crystal clear. And the best part? We've got all the links right in the description so you don't have to waste a second searching. Buckle up, hit like, and let's check out the first gadget. Dead battery? Flat tire? No problem. The Wolfbox 4000A is a compact all-in-one lifesaver, combining a jump starter, tire inflator, and fast charger. It can start even large 12-volt engines, pump up SUV or pickup tires in minutes, and keep your devices powered with 65-watt USB-C and extra USB-A ports. A bright 400-lumen LED light with strobe and SOS modes adds safety for night emergencies, and rugged IP64 construction keeps it working in freezing cold. With 10 built-in protections, it's the ultimate gadget for peace of mind on the road. Protect your drive with crystal clear 4K front and 2.5K rear footage, day or night. The G900 Pro uses advanced Starvis sensors and a 7-glass lens to capture every detail, even in low light. Built-in GPS tracks your routes, while Wi-Fi lets you download and share clips instantly through the Wolfbox app. Voice control keeps your hands on the wheel, and loop recording, G-sensor, and parking monitoring ensure you never miss a moment. Comes with a 128GB card, expandable to 512GB, and a 1-year warranty, making it a reliable companion for every vehicle. Ever get into your car and instantly notice that stale, smoky, or musty smell? The Philips GoPure GP5212 fixes that fast. It clears up to 100 pollutants, including smoke, odors, bacteria, and even viruses, filtering half your cabin air in under 10 minutes. Its advanced HEPA plus HESA filter traps fine particles and neutralizes harmful gases from exhaust and plastics. Compact whisper quiet at just 43 decibel and auto-starting with your engine, it fits anywhere with its 13-foot power cable. Clean, fresh air has never been this easy or sleek. Tired of crumbs, pet hair, and dust taking over your car? The HRYCF 4-in-1 handheld vacuum makes cleanup a breeze. With powerful 20,000 PA suction and a long-lasting brushless motor, it tackles messes quickly. Lightweight and cordless at just 1.5 pounds, it's easy to carry and store, while 3 specialized brush heads handle everything from crumbs to stubborn pet hair. The 6,000 mAh battery runs up to 40 minutes, and USB-C charging gets it ready in just 2 hours. Washable HEPA filters keep the air clean, making it a must-have gadget for every car owner. Ever been on a road trip and needed to charge your laptop, phone, or small appliances at once? The Zihu 150-watt car power inverter makes it simple. It converts your car's 12-volt power into 110 volts, letting you run laptops, small appliances, and multiple gadgets on the go. With 2 outlets, an 18-watt USB port, and 2 30-watt power delivery chargers, you can keep everything powered without interruption. Sleek and compact, it blends into your car while delivering reliable energy, perfect for daily commutes, camping, or long drives. Say goodbye to messy cables in your car. The Omeo 2-in-1 wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter fixes that in seconds. It works with iOS 10 or later and Android 11 or newer, supporting over 800 car models from 2017 onward. The plug-and-play design connects in 8 seconds and auto-reconnects in 3, giving you smooth, lag-free music, navigation, and calls. Its ultra-compact glass metal body keeps your dashboard neat and clutter-free. Amazon users rate it 4.2 stars in 2025. Keep your car clean and organized with the Margona 2-pack car trash can. Each mini bin fits perfectly in cup holders, center consoles, or door pockets, holding tissues, wrappers, and small items. Made from soft TPR and sturdy ABS, it absorbs bumps and prevents spills on the road. With 2 lid options, push button or press open, one-handed use is a breeze, and the removable lid with a collapsible silicone body makes cleaning quick and easy. Perfect for cars, trucks, RVs, or even home desks, it's compact, leak-proof, and rated 4.8 stars on Amazon 2025. If the Zihu power inverter keeps your devices running in the car, the Bluetti EP500 power station takes portable power to the next level. With a massive 5,100 watt-hour battery and a 2,000 watt inverter, it supports 15 outlets, including a wireless charging pad for phones and laptops. It can even charge electric vehicles, making it ideal for road trips, camping, or emergency backup. App Control lets you monitor and manage power remotely, and with 6,000 charge cycles, it's built to last. Amazon users rate it 4.8 stars in 2025 for convenience, versatility, and total peace of mind. Keep all your devices powered on the go with the Yantu 150-watt adapter and splitter. It has 3 12-volt sockets and 2 fast-charging USB ports, so GPS, dashcams, phones, and tablets can all run together. Smart IC technology protects your devices while charging, and the independent switch with LED voltage display helps monitor power. Safety features cover overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits. With a long 2.3-foot cable for backseat access and a 4.6-star Amazon rating in 2025, it's a must-have for every ride. Protect your drives with the Red Tiger F4 Pro 4K dash cam. It features 4K front and 1080p rear recording with Starvis 2, capturing sharp details even at night. The 2.2-inch touchscreen and voice control make it easy to use on the road. Built-in GPS tracks speed and routes, while Wi-Fi 6 lets you quickly share footage through the app. It includes a 128GB card, supports loop recording, and offers 24/7 parking monitoring. With easy setup, durable build, and a 4.5-star rating on Amazon, it's a reliable companion for every drive. Be ready for anything with the Yantu 111-piece car emergency kit. Its dual-cylinder tire inflator pumps tires 40% faster and features a large 8.3-inch screen for easy use. Heavy-duty jumper cables with overload protection can start vehicles up to 3 tons safely. The 3-in-1 high-carbon steel safety hammer breaks windows, cuts seatbelts, and handles everyday tasks. A 46-piece tire repair kit fixes flats quickly, while a 63-piece first aid kit covers minor injuries. Rated 4.8 stars on Amazon 2025, it's the ultimate all-in-one emergency kit for every driver. Struggling to see clearly at night or in bad weather? The Lanmoto Vast Pro Night Vision system uses dual 1080p Sony cameras to deliver full-color vision in complete darkness, heavy rain, or thick fog. Its 8-inch display shows both front and rear views, while 128GB storage saves all your important footage. Parking monitoring keeps your car secure when unattended, and the sturdy nano-glue mount keeps it firmly in place. Amazon users rate it 4.7 stars in 2025, making night driving safer and giving you extra confidence on every trip. Keep your phone powered and secure with the Anker MagSafe wireless car charger. It mounts easily to your car vent and delivers 15-watt fast charging for iPhones or compatible Androids. Strong magnets hold your phone steady, even on bumpy roads, while the rotating design lets you find the perfect viewing angle. Setup is simple, and it keeps your device ready for navigation, calls, or music throughout every drive. Never get stuck with a dead battery again with the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 Jump Starter. This compact but powerful tool can revive gas engines up to 6 liters in seconds. It comes with built-in clamps, a bright flashlight, and USB ports to charge your devices on the go. The spark-proof design ensures safety, and over 50,000 Amazon users rate it 4.7 stars in 2025 for reliability. Perfect for emergencies, road trips, or everyday preparedness, it keeps you moving without worry. The Hotor car trash can keeps your vehicle neat and organized. Its leak-proof design straps easily to headrests or consoles, while extra pockets hold small items. Collapsible and waterproof, it doubles as a cooler for drinks or snacks on the go. With over 20,000 Amazon 2025 reviews giving it 4.6 stars, drivers love how it tames messes and clutter in seconds. Perfect for road trips, daily commutes, or family rides, it turns chaos into order. With your car cleaner and smarter, your rides are ready to be easier and more enjoyable. That's a wrap on the 15 best car gadgets of 2025. Check the description for links to all these must-have Amazon finds. From the Wolfbox Jump Starter to the Hotor trash can, they make every drive safer, cleaner, and more fun. Which one would you grab first? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car gear reviews. Stay safe and enjoy the ride.